In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money by staking on Binance. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or have been trading for a while, earning rewards through staking can be a fantastic way to increase your holdings. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you haven't used the app recently, the interface might have updated, but don't worry, the steps remain pretty straightforward. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Earn section. You might see this option immediately on your home screen. However, if it's not visible, you can simply tap More near the bottom of the screen and then look for Simple Earn from the list of options. This is where all the staking magic happens. With Simple Earn open, you'll see a variety of coins available for staking. It's here that you need to choose a coin you'd like to stake. Popular choices typically include BNB or Ethereum, but you should pick a coin based on your portfolio and strategy. Do some research if you're unsure about the best coin to stake, as rates and benefits can vary. Once you've chosen a coin, it's time to decide on the type of staking plan. You'll encounter two main options, a flexible term or a locked term. Flexible terms allow you to withdraw your funds at any time without penalties, providing greater liquidity. Locked terms, on the other hand, often come with higher reward rates, but require you to lock in your coins for a set period, ranging from days to months. Consider your financial goals and the market conditions before making a choice. After deciding on the term, tap on Subscribe. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to stake. Be sure to double check that the amount is correct, particularly if you have specific financial goals in mind. Once you've inputted the amount, confirm your subscription. Congratulations, you're now part of the Binance staking community. From here it's smooth sailing. You'll begin to earn daily rewards based on the staking plan you've selected. These rewards will automatically accumulate in your Binance account, steadily increasing your cryptocurrency balance. And that wraps up our guide on staking with Binance. Remember, the key to successful staking is understanding the terms and being aware of your own financial goals. With these tools and this knowledge, you're well on your way to making your crypto work for you. Thanks for watching, and happy staking.